Dear First Prep, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh. It's Mr. Ahmed Mahmoud with you today to introduce a new mathematics lesson. Today, inshallah, we have Algebra Unit 1 Lesson 8. The lesson is called Solving Inequalities in Q. In this lesson, inshallah, we are going to remember how can we solve the inequalities as we studied in the 6th primary. The inequalities looks like the equation, but the difference will be in the solution set. Let's start the lesson. Okay, example 1 with us. Find the solution set of each of the following inequalities, then represent on the number line. Number 1 with us, we have the inequality 3x minus 3, 2x minus 3 greater than or equal 5, and the x belongs to z. First, we are going to solve this inequality. Looks like the equation. What does it mean, Mr. Ahmed? If we have minus, so we will send it to the other side plus, and if we have time, we will send divide and so on. Okay, so 3 go there plus, so 2x greater than or equal. Don't forget to write the inequality without change the direction. So 5 plus 3, so 2x greater than or equals 8. Now I'm going to send 2 after 8, so x is greater than or equal 8 divided by 2, so x is greater than or equal 4. Now the solution set will be like this. Solution set x greater than or equal 4. Again, x greater than or equal 4. So it will be 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on. Because the integers are whole numbers, so I'm going to take the whole numbers. X greater than 4, so I'm going to take the numbers that greater than 4. But because we have equal here, so I'm going to start with 4 itself belong to the set. Okay, now to represent this one on the number line, so I'm going to draw the number line like this and put points on this number line. Here we have, for example, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. So I'm going to put a circle on 4, 5, 6, and so on. Okay. Number 2, 5x minus 10 less than 2x minus 1, and the x belongs to z. First, I'm going to collect x in the left side and y and the numbers in the right side. So it will be 5x minus 2x, don't forget less than, negative 1 plus 10. 5x minus 2x is 3x less than 9. And now I'm going to send 3 to the right side, so x less than 9 divided by 3, so x less than 3. Okay, the solution set equal in z, x smaller than 3, so 3 is not belong to the equation, the solution, because there isn't equal. So it will be 2, 1, 0, negative 1, negative 2, and so on. On the number line, it will be like this. 0, 1, 2, 3, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, and so on. Okay, I have 2, 1, 0, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, and I'm going to collect them by straight line like this in this direction. Okay, the next one. Find the solution of each of the following in Q. Of course, in Q there isn't a number line, so because I can't represent all the rational numbers on one number line by listing method. So this inequality will be 2x plus 3 less than 7. First, I'm going to send 3 to the other side. So 2x less than 7 minus 3. So 2x less than 4. And now I'm going to send the 2 divided. So x less than 4 divided by 2. So x less than 2. Now, the solution set equal the solution set written in a new form. You have to in a new form like this. Now, because I have rational numbers, the rational numbers, I can't write the rational number in a listing method. Okay, so I don't know exactly what is the number or the rational number less than 2 exactly. Okay, so I'm going to do what? I'm going to explain by another meaning before writing the inequality. Okay, here if I have here 2, 1. Okay, here what is the rational number less than 2? What is the rational number less than 2? Okay, some of us say 1. Okay, and I can say it's 1.9. Some of us mungkin say 1.8 and so on. One can say 1.99. So I can't say exactly what's the rational number less than 2. So I can't write the rational number in the number line. So also I can't write the rational number by listing method. So I'm going to write this one by description method like this. You are going to write x such that x belongs to Q. This is stable statement in every solution set in Q. And then comma and write x smaller than 2 and x smaller than 2. This is okay, will be different from example to another. Okay, another example. For 6 minus 5x greater than or equal 11. Before explaining this one, okay, I need to do something. What if I have 6 and 4? 6 and 4. Which one is bigger, 6 or 4? Of course, it's 6. Okay. Now, what will happen if I divided here divided by 2 and here divided by negative 2? What will happen? 6 divided by 3 by 2 equals 3, and 4 divided by 2 equal 2. Which one is bigger, 3 or 2? It's 2. It's 3. So when I divide it by positive number, so the result will be or the inequality sign will not change. But now 6 divided by negative 2 equals negative 3. 4 divided by negative 2 equal negative 2. Which one is bigger? It's negative 2. Oh, now the sign has changed. So when I divided by negative, the sign will be changed. Again, when I divide by negative, the sign will be changed. Now let's solve this one. 6 minus 5x greater than or equal 11. First, I'm going to send 6, so negative 5x greater than or equal 11 minus 6, so negative 5x greater than or equal 5. Now I'm going to divide it by, to send the negative 5 as a divide. So x, and here 5 divided by negative 5. When I divide it by negative, the direction will be changed like this. Don't forget, the direction will be changed because of the division by negative. So x less than or equal negative 1. Now I'm going to write the solution set. X such that x belongs to Q and x less than or equal negative 1. Okay, another example. 3 minus 2, 3x minus 2 less than 5x minus 8. Now I'm going to send minus 2 and bring back 5x. So 3x minus 5x less than negative 8 plus 2. 3x minus 5x equal negative 2x less than negative 6. Now I'm going to send the negative 2 divided, so x, and here negative 6 divided by negative 2. When divided by negative, so we will change the direction, don't forget. So x greater than 3, so the solution set will be x such that x belongs to Q and x greater than 3, and close the set. Now number 4. Here in number 4 I have a new inequality, the inequality which formed from 3 sides. Okay, now in this case the main side is the middle side. So I'm going to send the numbers from the middle to the outer sides. Okay, now if I need to send minus 1, I'm going to send minus 1 here and send minus 1 also here. So it will be 3 plus 1 less than or equal 2x less than or equal 7 plus 1. Don't forget plus 1 here and plus 1 here. So it is 4 less than or equal 2x less than or equal 8. Now to cancel 2, okay, so I'm going to send 2 here and here as divided. So it will be 4 over x, 4 over 2 less than or equal x less than or equal 8 over 2, or 8 divided by 2, it's up to you. Here 2 less than or equal x less than or equal 4. The solution set x such that x belongs to Q and 2 less than or equal x less than or equal 4. Number 5. Also I have 3 sides inequality. I'm going to send 3 here and also 3 here. So it will be 10 minus 3 less than or equal 3x less than 13 minus 3. 10 minus 3 equals 7 less than or equal 3x less than 13 minus 3 equals 10. So I'm going to send 3 here and here divided. So it is 7 over 3 less than or equal x less than 10 over 3. 7 over 3 equals 7 over 3, and 10 over 3 is the simplest form. Now it's the solution set. X such that X belongs to Q and 7 over 3 less than or equal X less than 10 over 3. Okay, the next one. Number 6. Now I'm going to send the plus 2 here and here. Okay, I can write minus 2 here and minus 2 here. It's okay. 10 minus 2 equals 8 less than or equal 4. X less than or equal 16. And I can make over 4 here and over 4 here. So it is 2 less than or equal X less than or equal 4. The solution set. X such that X belongs to Q and 2 less than or equal X less than or equal 4. Okay, number 7. 2x minus 1 greater than or equal 3 less than or equal 7. So I'm going to send the plus 1 here and here. So it is plus 1 here and plus 1 here. 3 plus 1 4 less than or equal 2x less than or equal 7 plus 1 8. Now I'm going to send 2 here and here. It will be over 2 here and over 2 here. 4 over 2, 2 less than or equal x less than or equal 4. Now the solution set. X such that X belongs to Q and 2 less than or equal X less than or equal 4. Okay, the next question. Number 8. In this case we have two sides and we have bracket in the left and the bracket in the right. So I'm going to evaluate the brackets first. Okay, so I'm going to write down 4. Negative 5 times x and the negative 5 times negative 2. Negative 5 times x equal negative 5x. Negative 5 times negative 2 equal positive 10 less than or equal negative 2 times negative 9 equal positive 18. Negative 2 times 2x equal negative 4x. Okay, now I'm going to simplify 4 and 10 because they are like and they are in the same side. 4 plus 10 equals 14. So I have now negative 5x plus 14 less than or equal 18 minus 4x. Okay, now I'm going to send 14 from left to right and negative 4x from right to left. So it will be negative 5x plus 4x less than or equal 18 minus 14. Negative 5 minus 4 plus 4 equals negative 1x. So it is negative x less than or equal 14. 18 minus 14 equals 4. Now I'm going to divide it by negative 1. So x and here 4 divided by negative 1. The negative 1 comes from here. Negative x means negative 1x. Remember, when we divide it by negative, so we will change the direction. So x will be greater than or equal negative 4. So the solution set in Q x such that x belongs to Q and x greater than or equal -4. Now number 9. 3 open bracket y plus 2 and plus 8 less than 10 minus open bracket 2 minus y. First I'm going to distribute 3. So it will be 3y plus 3 times 2 equals 6 plus 8 less than 10. I'm going to distribute the negative. Negative times 2 equal -2. Negative times negative equal positive y. Now 6 and 8 are like, so I'm going to add them, equal 14. So 3y plus 14 less than 10 minus 2 equals 8 plus y. Send 14 in the right side and y to the left side. So 3y minus y less than 8 minus 14. 3y minus 1y equals 2y less than 8 minus 14 equals -6. Now I'm going to send 2 to be divided, so y less than -6 divided by 2. I didn't change the direction because the division by positive. So y less than -3. Solution set equal x such that x belongs to Q and x less than -3. It's okay to write the solution set with x while the letter here was y. It's okay, it's not wrong. Okay, and this is the end of the lesson. I hope it was helpful for you. See you inshallah in the next video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh. Mr. Ahmed Mahmoud was with you.